Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're diving into something seriously heavy-duty, a massive industrial wood chipper that turns entire piles of logs into perfect little wood chips. This thing is a beast, fixed in place, powerful, and purpose-built to feed the MDF industry. Let's check out how it works and why it's different from the mobile chippers you might have seen before. So here it is, a stationary industrial chipper designed to sit in one place and devour everything you throw at it. Logs, branches, stumps, even dry, knotted old wood that looks useless. This machine chews it all up like it's nothing. Unlike mobile units like the CBI 6400T or Bandit 484VR, which drive to the wood piles, this guy stays put, and the wood comes to it. That makes it perfect for large-scale processing, especially for MDF factories that run 24/7. Before the logs even touch the chipper, they go through a debarking process, spinning drums that strip off bark and clean out dirt and stones. Why? Because bark and debris can mess up the blades and affect the chip quality. Clean wood in, clean chips out. That's the name of the game. A restaurant. They named him. Now let's get to the action. This machine uses a massive spinning drum with razor-sharp blades to slice logs into chips in milliseconds. You can hear it roar like a wild animal. The sound of raw power. It's powered by two 100-kilowatt motors, working together through belts and pulleys to spin the main shaft at crazy speed. And the results? Beautiful wood chips, precisely sized between 2 to 12 centimeters. Just the right range for MDF production. There's even a set of feed rollers that clamp down on the wood before it hits the blades, keeping everything stable and consistent. Let's geek out for a second. Each motor here puts out over 100 kilowatts of power. That's more than most high-performance sports cars. All that torque gets transferred via heavy-duty belts and pulleys to the cutting drum. That main shaft spins with insane force, enough to slice right through even huge hardwood logs without breaking a sweat. It's all about efficiency and durability. This machine runs all day non-stop, churning out over 100 tons of chips per hour. Let's geek out for a second. Each motor here puts out over 100 kilowatts of power. That's more than most high-performance sports cars. All that torque gets transferred via heavy-duty belts and pulleys to the cutting drum. That main shaft spins with insane force, enough to slice right through even huge hardwood logs without breaking a sweat. It's all about efficiency and durability. This machine runs all day non-stop, churning out over 100 tons of chips per hour. After the chipping. This is where the magic continues, turning those chips into MDF panels, First, the chips are steamed to soften them up, then sent through a refiner that breaks them down into tiny fibers. Those fibers get mixed with synthetic resin glue, then evenly spread into layers on a moving line. Next, the hot press. Under extreme pressure and heat, the fibers bond together into solid sheets. And just like that, you've got MDF. The boards are trimmed, stacked, and moved into storage, ready for shipping to furniture makers, flooring companies, and more.